Snapchat tried to compete with TikTok just like Instagram with Reels and YouTube with Shorts. So they rolled out Snapchat Spotlight. But out of all these, Spotlight is the one you hear about the least. And that's exactly why it has huge potential. At one point, Snapchat was throwing around $100 million a day to creators. That's crazy. The payouts have dropped since then, but people are still making thousands per month with Spotlight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, no courses, no scams, just straight-up fact. Let's get into how you can do it too. First, make sure you are in an eligible country. If your country is not on the list, you are out of luck. And no, VPNs won't work there. Snapchat will catch you.
To be eligible for this program, creators need to meet specific criteria. First one is audience and engagement. Creators should have at least 50,000 followers in the last 28 days, 10 million Snap views or 1 million Spotlight views or 12,000 hours of view time. Then second, consistency. Post at least 25 times per month to save stories or Spotlight. Post to either Spotlight or public stories on at least 10 of the last 28 days. Then third, compliance. Be at least 18 years old or the age of legal majority in your country.
So what kind of videos work? Here is the best part. You don't need crazy editing skills or high quality production. Snapchat Spotlight rewards quantity over quality. Most viral spotlights are literally just 15 seconds long with minimal efforts. Viral nickels that work are funny videos, pets, cars, relatable content, and simple reaction clips and more. A lot of these videos are just personal moments or random funny clips. You don't need professional editing, just post and see what sticks. If your videos don't meet Snapchat's format, they won't tell you, they just ignore them. All videos must be in 9:16 aspect ratio, vertical videos only, minimum 5 seconds long, ideally around 15 seconds. No TikTok watermarks. Use Snappeak to remove them if repurposing videos. Also, Snapchat does not care about hashtags or captions like TikTok does. Just focus on uploading good content. This is not about luck. The key is posting every day. More videos is equal to more chances to hit the requirement. Some people are making $11,000 with just 10,000 views. Others get millions of views and make the same. It's weird, but that's how Snapchat works. Depends on your niche. Here is some pro tip. Make multiple accounts, test different types of content. The more you post, the better your channel. Once you hit 50,000 followers and 25 million views, you unblock Snapchat story ads. This is where the real money is. This is how Snapchat's millionaires are doing it. This pays way more than Spotlight, but you need to be consistent first before reaching that level. Snapchat Spotlight is one of the weirdest but easiest ways to make money online right now. Less competition, no need for crazy edits, but you have to be consistent. Will this replace your 9 to 5? Probably not. But can it be a solid side hustle? Absolutely. So are you going to try it out? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe and follow for more.